seeing it for the first time.
I got this printer about a year ago and I love it. But for as long as I've had it, I've had problems with it. And for as long as I've had problems for it, you guys have been telling me, just get a Bambu printer. And holy crap, they sent me one. But I'm currently moving, so I can't open it yet.
Finally.
So I complain a lot in my videos about how hard everything is, and I thought I was being a whiny little man-child, but it turns out I'm being authentic. So that's a relief. But whenever I complain about issues that I've had with my printer, there's one comment that I get more than any others. No, not that one. Yeah, that one. So I thought I'd try my luck and see if Bambu Lab might send me an entry-level A1. Maybe even the combo if I'm lucky. Unsurprisingly, they said they couldn't send me one. So instead, they sent me this. A Bambu Lab P1S Combo. I'll get to why they couldn't send me an A1 in a minute, but I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel for years. And the main reason is because I've always loved movie and video production. And I want to make videos I'm truly proud of and share them with the world. But also on a deeper, more honest level, I want free stuff. I mean, let's not pretend that I didn't fantasize about this when I started the channel. And I hope this doesn't come across as bragging, but I'm still just trying to be authentic, and I'm authentically flippin' stoked. But if you think for 1 second that I'm not gonna give an impartial review of this printer just because I'm excited that I got it for free, you'd be 100% correct. I'm not. I'm not even gonna give a review of it because I don't review stuff. I'm not an expert in anything at all. But this video isn't sponsored by Bambu Lab. It's sponsored by the people who sponsored me since my second video. PCBWay. They can print stuff that not even this printer can print, like aluminium and titanium. But they've got you covered for all the usual materials like PLA, PETG, and ABS too, not to mention CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, and PCB manufacturing. Go check them out in the link in the description. All right, you might have noticed there's already some filament in the AMS, and that's because I've already printed my first model that I really struggled with on my previous printer. So I want it to be the very first thing I printed on this printer to see if it's really that much easier to print on a P1S than an Ender 3. But if you want to see that, hit subscribe and that video will be coming out a bit later on. So you all told me to get a Bambu Lab printer, and yeah, I wanted one, but I figured rather than spending over $2,000 on a Bambu Lab P1S Combo or even more on an X1C, I figured the A1 is still a very, very capable machine and a massive step up from the Ender 3 that I already have. Before I bought it, I thought I'll just roll the dice, and I messaged Bambu Labs and I said, look, totally gonna buy this 3D printer anyway, but I've got this YouTube channel. It's about making stuff as a newbie and some people seem to like it, so send me an A1 mini combo for free, maybe? And to make it more appealing, I included this comment from Ethan to show that 3D printing newbies were watching my channel. So thanks for that, Ethan. And they got right back to me and said, sure, we'll send you one, which obviously sounded too good to be true. And I had to double check because I've had people reach out and want to collaborate until they realize I live in New Zealand and they just don't send stuff here. So I said to them, is that going to be a problem? And they were like, oh yeah, we're not currently shipping the A1 to New Zealand directly, so we'll send you a P1S Combo instead. And how about a bunch of filament and accessories to go with it? Although technically, I guess it's not completely free. I mean, they did ask me to show it off in a video, so let's do that. First of all, this thing is fast. It has a pretty big print volume and an internal camera for monitoring and time lapses. It's direct drive and enclosed, so it can print all sorts of filaments. But the thing I've made the most of so far, it's not even the printer, it's the app. I've been so busy with moving and setting up the new house that I didn't even have my computer set up for a couple of weeks. So everything that I've showed in this video, I printed directly from the Bambu Handy app. All right, YouTube bucket list item checked off. Like I said, I've been super busy with moving house, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to call me a sellout in the comments. Oh, speaking of, if you did want to buy a Bambu Lab machine and use my link in the description, that would really help me out. Otherwise, I promise I'll make some videos about making stuff real soon. Thanks.